Right now, you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get off! Get out! On your way!
This is absolutely insane. An officer nearly pays the ultimate price during a stop that looked perfectly routine from the start.
LA 431 and 935.
It is 1:49 in the morning on Highway 431 in Louisiana. Notice how this vehicle takes an unusual amount of time to pull over. To a trained officer, every extra second is a massive red flag. It is the perfect time for a suspect to hide a weapon or prepare for a fight.
Driver! You can come on back here for me. Come on back here for me, please. Yeah, get out and come on back here.
This window of silence is a major warning sign. He is forcing the officer to wait while he weighs his final options.
Hey, come on over here for me, man.
Outside, my phone dropped.
You good? Let's get over here. We ain't in the road. Tell the police. The reason why I'm pulling you over, you got tail laid out.
It's not all that, just got tape on it.
You can't see that thing at all.
My bad. If you pull it off, you can. It's on.
What happened to it? It's just broke?
Car wash did that.
Man, what car wash you go to?
The little car wash, like down on 74.
Which side? Which side 74? Towards like airline, or you talking about back towards like St. Gabriel?
No, close by like what it is. Almost right there by Dutchtown, by the school.
The one across from Harvest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Make sure I stay away from that one so I don't break your headlight or none.
Yeah, I usually try to wash it myself. It just happened like about a week ago.
Damn.
It just happened, sir.
I got you.
I'm going to pick my wife up from work.
Is it your car?
Yes, sir.
Registered to you?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. You got your license on you now?
It's in the car.
All right, cool. You gonna grab it for me?
Yes, sir.
Look, before you go reaching any guns or anything in the car?
No, sir.
Perfect. Go ahead and grab it for me.
Providing too much information is a classic way to sell a lie. By talking about his personal life, Nicholas is trying to humanize himself so the officer feels safe as they walk back to that car.
Hey, come back here. No, get out the car. Come here. Get out the car. Turn around for him, put your hands behind your back. All right. Right now, you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get off! Get out! On your way! Right now, you're just being detained, okay? Stop! Get off! Get out! On your way!
Shot fired, shot fired.
Code 4. It's in the car. Driver still golf. Had a gun under the seat. Reach around the bar.
Everything shifts the moment the officer smells marijuana and spots a pistol with an extended magazine. Combined with the attempt on his life by dragging him, opening fire becomes completely inevitable. It is no longer a simple stop. It is a fight for survival.
Be stopping near your dab lane. Driver! Get out of the car!
Hit.
1050. Drive! Car!
Hit.
1050. Suspect stop near Prescott Drive. Driver, get out of the car!
Can you tell how many times it's occupied?
One-time black male with gun on the floorboard by the driver's seat. Other additional units are going 1097.
Brandon Nicholas was later pronounced dead at the hospital. Investigators found the pistol discarded in a nearby ditch, and forensic testing linked it directly to him. But here is the real kicker that explains everything. Nicholas was a convicted felon, which meant having that gun was a one-way ticket back to a prison cell for a very long time. This was never about a broken light. It was a desperate and fatal attempt to stay out of jail at any cost. This case is a grim reminder of how a minor situation can spiral when panic takes the wheel. A simple repair turned into a final act of violence because of a series of poor choices. Looking at the footage, do you think there was a moment where Nicholas could have changed the outcome, or was this tragedy set in stone the moment he decided to carry that weapon? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your perspective helps us grow this community. If you want to see more deep dives into the reality of police work, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the team. Thank you for watching Blue Line Raw. Stay safe out there and take care of each other.